Welcome! In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to access Google Classroom and begin working on an assignment. Okay, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to come to Google, and then up in the right hand corner you're going to go up to your apps menu and click on it. It's going to open up all your apps that you currently have in Google, so it should have your account, Gmail account, and your Google Classroom up here. There's a Google Drive and a few other important apps that we can go over later on. But we're going to want to access Google Classroom, and it's going to take you to a page where you're going to either have invites from your teachers or you're going to have to join their class. And how you're going to join their class is if you're emailed a class code, you're going to want to copy and paste that code. And when you get to the Google Classroom app here, you're going to want to go up to this plus sign. And you're going to click it and hit Join Class. And it's going to ask you to put that class code right here. So when you're emailed a code, you should copy it and then hit Paste. And it should paste right here in the class code once you have it. So I'm going to exit out of here. So this is where I have all of my different Google Classrooms. I'm going to show you how to navigate this. I'm going to click on Visual Art First Hour. And it's going to open it up into the Stream tab. And the first thing you should see is the name of the class, which is Visual Arts First Hour. You're going to have a time up here. This is what time our Google Meet runs from. So from 11:20 to 11:50 a.m. is the time that First Hour meets. Here is the class code. So if you're looking for the class code to your teacher's classroom, it's going to be up here. The Meet link is right up in here. So at 11:20, you're going to want to click on that link and it'll open up into our live session. Okay, more about the Stream tab. So anytime that there's an important information or announcement, you'll see a posting in this area. Okay, we're going to go up here to our tab menu and I'm going to click on Classwork. So when you click on Classwork, it should take you to this page. And on this page is where assignments and material is going to be posted. So this is what I have right now for my Google Classrooms. I have what you need to know, and this has some information about how to get to the Sketchpad program, a link to my virtual classroom, which also has information about weekly updates, assignments, documents, and everything else. If you can't find it on the Google Classroom, I might have it on my virtual class. Okay, I'm going to cover how to get to your first assignment, which is the contact form here. So if you click on contact information, it's going to give you a description of the assignment here. And then when you scroll down, it's going to have a file for you to click on, and you're going to click on it. And for my students, it's going to be opening up into Google Classroom View. And to be able to get your own copy to edit, you're going to want to go up to File, Make a Copy, and then hit Entire Presentation. It's going to ask you to put in a name. So this is where you're going to put your name. And then you're going to hit OK. And then it's going to create your own document. So this is what is called an interactive worksheet. Instead of having a regular document file, this is a more interactive way to fill out worksheets. So I'm going to show you around how to use Google Slides. So up here in the toolbar, you have a zoom in magnifying glass, you have a select tool, text box, insert image, shape, and line section here. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom in so I can see my worksheet a little better. So I'm going to click on the arrow button here, and I'm going to hit zoom in. And now it's going to show me a better view of my worksheet. I'm going to go up here to my select tool. And for this assignment, I already created text boxes for you where there's a blank I need you to answer. So what you're going to do is you're going to click in that blank, and you can just start typing in. So I'm going to put your name here, your grade here, here, and then if you know what your cohort number is, you could put that here, but if you don't know, that's okay, you could skip it. As you scroll down, it asks you a few other questions, like if you have a phone number, an email address where I can contact you, and then there's some parent information. You and your parent can help each other fill out this area yourselves. It's going to just ask you the same kind of information, like if your parent or guardian has a phone number where I could reach them, an email address, and then down here, the preferred method of contact, because everybody's got a certain way they like to be contacted. Sometimes people like phone calls, some people like text messages or emails. I personally like to text and get email instead of phone calls. And then down here, best time to get a hold of your parent or guardian. Okay, and the last thing that we need to do on this assignment is place a picture of yourself, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So when you go up here to the toolbar, there's an image insert option. You're going to click on that, and you've got two options. You can upload from a computer, or you could search the web. For this assignment, I already sent myself an image, so I'm going to hit upload from computer. And I had emailed myself a photo of myself by using my phone. All you got to do is take a picture, and then when you send it like a text message, you put your email address in instead of a number, and you should be able to send your own photos to yourself. And then all you have to do is download a copy to your computer, and then you're going to be able to upload an image to any document that you wish. But for this one, I have this photo. I'm just going to hit open, and it's going to drop it in to the assignment. And you can size it by clicking one corner and holding down Shift button on your keyboard, and you can make it smaller, or you can make it bigger just by clicking and dragging. You can also click on the image and move it around to where you like. And right above the box, there's this little blue box up here, and you can click on that to change how it's aligned. Okay, say that I have all of my information filled out. I have my image, and I'm ready to turn it in. So there's two options to turn it in. The first option is, since it's on a Google program, it should automatically save to your drive, your Google Drive. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go back to our class. And since this is a one that I created, I can't go on and show you how to upload, but I have a dummy classroom that I can. So I'm going to go to my classroom section, and I'm going to find the class that I need to upload the project to. So right here, I'm a student in this class. So I'm going to click on this, and it takes me to a similar string page. And I'm going to go to classwork. And then I'm going to find the assignment that I need to attach it to. So right here, I have a document collection assignment. I'm going to use this as a dummy example, and I'm going to click on it. And I'm going to scroll down to where it says View Assignment, and I'm going to click on that. And it should show you something similar like this in my classroom. So this is how you upload your project. You're going to want to go over here to the right hand side where it says Your Work, and click the Add or Create button here. And you're going to want to go to Google Drive. and it's automatically going to show you it's automatically going to show you what you've been working on. So it saves it on the Google Drive automatically. So all you got to do is find your document, and you're going to want to click it and hit insert. And after you've inserted your finished project, you're going to hit turn in, and then it'll automatically add it to your assignment thread. So any more information? The second way to upload a project is to go to your finished completed work, which is this one right here. And I'm going to hit File, Download. And this will open up a menu that'll give you a few different file options to download that you can attach to that document. So I could pick PDF, JPEG, whatever, and I can go back to that same classroom thread and upload for a computer instead of doing the document from the drive. Okay, so that's how to open and copy your Google Slides assignment and fill it out and add a picture. Hopefully this helps you out, and if you have any questions, please see me at my live session for your class hour.